So guys, real quick, we're back on that 2017 Ford Flex. They called me back out. Said the radio isn't working. So like, we can touch stuff on here, but there's no, can't do any volume controls or anything. So, and the seat didn't work. So like I moved the seat and it didn't work. I came down here, it works now, but came down here, I load tested the circuit with a headlight bulb. Used a piercing probe right there. So we had power, so our fuse was good. So then I popped the panel off over here. And this I don't think was seated right, and now it works. So everything works, it tilts, it inflates the seat. So that's fixed. So now I'm waiting for my scan tool to load up and we'll go after this radio not working. That was the two complaints with this. Just real quick, because it was a real simple circuit. So you just had your power feed coming in to the module. Well, control switch. It says, oh wait. Yeah. Oh, that's the passenger seat. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Do I have the driver? Oh, I had the seat right here. Okay. So fuse 23 fed in. Red and white wire, which goes to red, or violet and red. Then we had one ground, which is a black ground where I'm testing. So that was it. And then you just had your seat switch. It's a pretty simple setup. So I'm going to move on to the next problem. See if we can fix that. So guys, I scanned for codes. We got this U0184 missing communication with radio. It says accessory protocol interface module, which when I looked it up, it's this audio control module right here. So I'm going to check the powers and grounds, well, like the power feed and that to it. See if we got like a blown fuse on here or something. And then if not, then we'll see where we can, our best testing is at. But I want to check fuses first. Okay guys, according to my diagram, it says it's fuse 29, which is right here. Test light light's right there. But then, let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's really hard to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. So we got power on both sides. When I first touched it, it didn't light up, but now it does. So we got power. At least I think I'm. Oh no, I'm not touching the right one. Sorry guys, it's so hard to see with the phone in the way. Let me see if I can reposition you. So here we go, guys. No power. Fuse 29 on this side, but the other side we have power. Go back. I know it's a little blurry, but yeah, no power. So I'm gonna get a fuse. We'll put it in there. We'll measure the current. See what's going on. So guys, I put a fuse circuit breaker in. It's probably hard for you guys to see. Let's see if I can get you guys up in there. There you go. Fuse circuit breaker in. Our current's at 1.1 amps, and our radio came on. There we go. Now let's go back in our scan tool. I'm going to do a system scan and we'll see what codes we have. Oops, crap. Hang on, I wanted to go to health scan. We'll see if that goes to history. I'm going to stop this real quick so I can turn my flashback off. So guys, just ran another health report. Look at that. We got everything cleared up except for these instrument cluster codes right here. So, confirmed fix. Blown fuse. No idea why it blew, because our current's good. Oh, and our controls up here work, so we can seek. They work. We can tune. I don't know, does this do anything? No. Look at that. Our on and off works. So there we go. Confirmed fix. Hope you guys like it. Real quick. See you later.